Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Nitmars. So friends, the series that we already studied, Vue.js using Laravel as backend and Vue.js frontend. So I actually got many queries that when we are going to use Vue.js, so I already said that the Vue.js part we only cover in the e-commerce, that the e-commerce in frontend only. So the backend, which is our admin part, we only do with the traditional way using Ajax requests, using as a normal Laravel tradition way, right? So hope you like this video. If you like this, do hit the like button, do subscribe our channel, and the source code will you get you will get the source code from our website. Just click on the source code tab, and whatever the video you are watching or playlist you are watching, just go to that playlist, and there is a very brief description about the things, and you may follow the steps in both of the languages like Hindi or in English, and you may go to proceed this, that the link will be sent to your email ID that is linked with the GitHub username. So just accept that invitation and you will get the GitHub link, right? So just going to the code, and we have pending only one section over here, which is product. So a product is actually the main part of every e-commerce. So whatever product should consist, the first thing that product should consist is mainly that product which contains name, slug, image, item code, keyword, description, category ID, brand ID, tax ID. After that, product attributes, which we are going to use for the filtration of the products in categories, like uh, these product ID, category ID, and filter the outer product about this. Like if this is a laptop, we should filter out about i7 processor or i9 processor. After that, this is the filtration only for the filtration of the products, that product attributes. After that, this is product underscore attrs. So what is this product underscore attr? Basically this consists like a product id, so which what means of which product this is related to. Color id, every product should have one color and one size. So basically color and size are different. Like in the case of laptop, we have a size of 8 GB, 12 GB, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB memory. So in the section of clothes, we have small, XL, that I already discussed. So SKU, which differentiate the products. After that, MRP, price, quantity, length, breadth, height, weight. So these are the basic attributes of a product. After that, product attribute images. So what is this? Basically, when we are selecting like a shirt which is blue in color, so we should have the images of that blue color product attribute, right? So this contains like product id and product attribute 24, 25. So these are the images that it say. So we'll move forward to just going to our English e-commerce, right? We'll build first the migration files and then migrate all the things. So we'll do the step by step. Just go to the terminal, new terminal. I will just delete this one. So I must. Okay. Now, firstly we have to add PHP addition, make model product and m. I think we've done a mistake. We don't write the product m. Just give a space between this and this, like this, product space hyphen m. So it will create the migration file. Now we have to create a product. After that, interior product attributes, product attributes, this. After product attributes, product attr, I will write. Now again one migration, product images, attr images, hit enter. right? So here we'll see all the product models, and after that in the database migrations, all the migration files. These are the, so step by step we make the migration to the table. Now the first field that we have, name, slug, image, item code, keywords, description, category ID, brand ID, tax, right? So we'll write it as uh, string, name of the string, name, and it should be null level. 1, 2, 3, string, after that slug. Now after slug we have image, then I think item code is there. Yes, item code is there. After that now in the section of keywords and description we'll write uh, long text. So long text basically by default string add the varchar of I think 254. It long string, it adds like more than 1500 characters, right? So I will add this to keywords. Description, description. Now after description I think description, now it is category ID, brand ID, tax ID. So these are the, yes, these are the foreign keys. So I'll just copy this and write it like this, category underscore ID, and after that uh, from the table category underscore ID reference, which is ID on categories table. Now we have category underscore ID, tax underscore ID, and brand underscore ID. Brand underscore ID and tax underscore ID. So same addresses we just copy and paste. uh, Brand underscore ID from which table? The table name is brands. I think it is brands. Must check out the brand ID. Brands, yes, this is brands. After that tax underscore ID, it should be taxes if I am not wrong. Yes, it is taxes, right? So I will write all the things. So names like image, item code, keywords, description, category underscore ID, brand underscore ID, tax underscore ID as foreign key in this table. Just save this. Now move on to the next table. So in the product attributes, what we have, yes, we have product underscore ID, category underscore ID, and attribute underscore value underscore ID. So I will write it as this. We only have three things over here, so just copy paste this thing. So the first one is product underscore ID, the second one is category underscore ID, and third one is attribute attribute underscore value underscore ID, right? Product underscore ID from the table products, this one. Make sure that the spelling should be same of the table, so category will be remain same. Now we have attribute underscore value underscore ID. So what is the name of attribute value? If we're looking into the table, so this is basically attribute values which we are going to use. So just copy this thing basically. Let me see, we are using this thing. Yes, this thing. Attribute underscore values underscore id from the table attribute values, right? Just save this. Now moving to the next table. So product attrs should consist number one product underscore id. That is very important that we should know which product it is belongs to the attributes. So I will write also this product underscore id and products over here. After that, in the product attrs, so we have color underscore id, size underscore id, SKU, MRP, price. Mm, So, what are the different? It is product underscore ID, color underscore ID, then size underscore ID. After that, we have SKU, MRP, price. So, I will write it as table. Mm, Write it as a string. SKU. Now let SKU, price, MRP. Mm, okay, price, MRP, quantity. It all are integer after SKU. So as price MRP this integer price MRP, and the third one is quantity. After that, length, breadth, height, and weight. So these all are as string length, length, breadth, height, weight. breadth, breadth, heigst, height, weigst, weight. Right now, after product underscore id, we also should we also add these foreign keys, like which is color underscore id from which table, colors colors table, and also size underscore id from which table, sizes. Right, now save this. uh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Perfect. Now move on to the next table. So in the product attr images, yes, we have product underscore id, product attr underscore id, and image. So we'll use same underscore id and edit. Now we also have a product attr underscore id. So write this uh, product underscore id, product attr underscore id. Product underscore attr underscore id. So if you are wondering that from which table I am looking into, so basically this is the e-commerce that I already started in the Hindi version. So because the code base, mostly the code base is mostly same, and that so that the database should also be same. That's why I just see the thing that I've already done in the previous videos of the e-commerce in Hindi. So product editor underscore id, and last one is image. Our table string image, and it also should null label. Now we also add on one more thing, product attr underscore id. What should be the table name of product attr underscore id? It should be product underscore attrs. Just copy this and paste it over here. So I think all the things looks good. So I just migrate all the fields. So write php artisan migrate. Hit enter. Oh, I think it should leave some error. Okay, syntax error violation tex underscore id. Okay. In the product, I think. Uh, okay. Here I am actually written that tax and tex. Save this and hit it again. Migrate. Mm, okay. Now actually I have to delete the view again. Just refresh it. It actually create the product table. Just drop this. And one more thing, click on the migration table and migration create attribute category. Okay, it I think it doesn't create the migration file. Now let's click on again. Uh, yes, now product table, product attribute, product editor image, product editor table. Hit refresh. You will see all the tables. Just let me show you. It is products. Yes, this one. Let me close all the other fields. Product products, product attributes, product attrs and product attr images. Okay, so in the next video we'll continue to the view sections in the admin panel, and I will just push this code into the GitHub repository, so you may get that git add git commit product database product comma product attribute comma product underscore htr comma product underscore htr underscore image database. Hit enter now and hit push. So it will push all the files and it will be available on your git repository. Just do follow the steps how to download the source code, and you will may get that updated git repository on your local file. Hope you like this video. Please do hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.